Please stand by for a message from our President of the United States or one of his representatives. Please stand by for a message from our President or one of his representatives. This is the Emergency Alert System, a primary entry point system issued a national information center for all of our country. Please stand by for our President of the United States of America or one of his designated representatives to be on the Emergency Alert System. Good afternoon. I am the representative of the United States of America, as Joe Biden is currently in a safe location at this time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Do not use your telephone at this time. There's an ongoing situation that will happen next year. A few minutes ago, NASA has discovered an asteroid named JF1 heading a straight collision towards Earth. This is a real asteroid that is currently in the night sky, and it can possibly be seen by May 5th, 2022. The asteroid will impact by May 6th, 2022, somewhere around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This will most likely hit the Pacific Ocean, so other states like Tennessee, Florida, Georgia, Alabama will not be affected that much. This asteroid is not that big, however, can still cause a lot of deaths and injuries to the people who are not in a fallout shelter. At this time, you should stay calm and do not panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. I repeat, do not panic, as panicking will make the situation worse. President Joe Biden will be speaking on all stations shortly. However, he is currently in Canada. For a fallout shelter, take exit 88 on Interstate 75 if you're in Tennessee. If you're in California, take exit 28 on Interstate 5 if you're in California. Other interstates are getting their fallout shelters ready. I repeat, other states are getting their fallout shelters ready on the interstate. If you live in the state of Tennessee, near the Interstate 75 area, or California near the Interstate 5 area, please take them exits for your safety. If you're not in these states, try to find a local fallout shelter from your government. Please stand by for more information is settled up for you. If any power goes out in your area, a space weather warning might be in effect. A new EAS broadcast called Space Weather Warning will now be a new EAS system. However, it will not be issued by the National Weather Service or either civil authorities. It will be issued by the Primary Entry Point System. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. And until the asteroid attacks, God bless you all in heaven. Thank you. Goodbye. That was a message from our representative of the President. If you're on the interstate, if you live near Interstate 75 or Interstate 5, take the following exit for your fallout shelter. If you're not in the following states, please take any precautions of any fallout shelters in your area. Thank you so much for listening to the Emergency Alert System. The national anthem will be played on May 5th for the final day on Earth. Thank you for your cooperation, and may God bless you all. Do not fear. God has chosen this end for all of us.